Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice pitch in CapCut PC step by step. Changing the voice pitch lets you make your voice sound higher or lower for creative and fun effects. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then import the video or audio file you want to edit. Drag the file onto the timeline. Next, click to select the audio clip on the timeline. If the audio is part of a video, right-click the video first and select Extract Audio first. Then go to the audio panel on the right side. Find the voice or pitch option. Drag the pitch slider to the right to make the voice sound higher, or drag the pitch slider to the left to make the voice sound lower. Play the audio to preview the changes. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your export settings, then click Export again to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully changed the voice pitch in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.